Hello everyone, welcome to Hacker Heap. In today's video, we will look into problem solving single number 2. Before we start, please do like and subscribe to the channel Hacker Heap. Let's look into the problem. Given a non-empty array of integers, every element appears 3 times except for 1, which appears exactly 1. Find that single one. So for this input, 2 appeared 3 times and 3 appeared only 1 time, so we need to return 3. In the second example, 0 appeared 3 times, 1 appeared 3 times, and 99 appeared only once, so we need to return 99. So first we will look into the solution 1. For this we will use a map holding the given integer and the count of the integer. So we will have the number and the count. So we will pass through the array and we will increase the count. Once we are done passing through the given array, we will pass through the map and we will find if there is a value of 1, we will just return that key. That is one way to do it. There is a note here. Your algorithm should have a linear runtime, which we will have even if we used a map, but they're asking could you implement it without using extra memory. Let's go ahead and implement this version and we will implement the next version. So for this, as I said, I'll be taking a map. We define the map 0 I less than nums dot length. All we are doing is count dot put off count dot get or default of nums of I comma 1 0 plus 1. All we are doing is entering the count to the map. Once we are done with this loop, all we need to do is loop through the counts, and if we have a value of 1, we will just return that number. For integer val count dot key set count dot get off key is equal to 1 return key. That's all we need to do, or else we'll just return -1. So let's run this code. Yeah, all we are doing is we are filling the map with the count, and if we found a value 1, we are just returning the key. Let's see how this looks. All we are doing is for the given array 2, 2, 0, 2, it will create a map with 2 and 3 and 1 and 1. When we are looping here, if we find value 1, we are just returning 1. It would be the same case for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 99. We will have a map of 0, 1, 99, 3, 3 and 1, we will return 99. So but here we are taking an extra space by creating this map. So we will look into how to not use an extra space. So how do we implement it without using extra memory, right? We will use a bitwise operators. All we need to do is, so there are 3 cases. A number can be repeated once, twice and thrice. So when we go through the number, if we never find it, we will replace 1 with 1. If you take the given example 2, 2, 3, 2, all we are doing is when we found the first 2, 1 will be 2, 2 will be 0 and 3 will be 0. Next, when we go to the second 2, 1 will be 0, 2 will be 2 and 3 will be 0. Now when we go to 3, 1 will be 3, 2 will be 2 and 3 will be 0. Now when we go to the 2, 1 will be still 3, 2 will be 0 and 3 will be 2, and we will return 1. So how do we achieve this is implementing couple of bitwise operations. Let's go ahead and see it. So initially we will initialize int 1 is equal to 0, 2 is equal to 0 and 3 is equal to 0. For int is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, all we are doing is 2 or is equal to 1 and nums of I, and 1 will be performing an XOR operation of nums of I, and 3 will be, if it is present in both 1 and 2, we will update the 3. And once we updated the 3, we need to remove it from 1 and 3. So we will do 3 and 2 and equal to negation of 3. All we do is return 1. Yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead and submit. Okay, 2 or somehow I typed it as not equals. Yeah, it went through. So all we are performing is, initially when we find an element, we are checking if it's already present in 1, we will update the 2. If it is not present in the 1, we won't update the 2. If it is present or not, we will perform an XOR operation which will give us a single number. And when we perform 3, it should be, if it is present in both 1 and 2, that means it is a repeated number 3 times, we will update the 3. Once we updated the 3, we need to update 1 and 2. We need to remove it from 1 and 2 and make them as zeros so that we don't repeat it. Once we are done through the loop, we will just return 1. I hope this helps, and please do like and subscribe to the channel Hacker Heap. I will be solving more data structure problems, Leetcode problems. Thank you.